Developing a conceptual framework is crucial for research or academic projects. Here's a concise guide. Identify a research problem. Start by clearly defining the research problem or topic. What is the main issue or question you want to explore? Review existing literature. Conduct a comprehensive review of existing research and literature related to your topic. Identify key concepts and theories. Conceptual elements. Define the core concepts and variables you will be working with. These are the building blocks of your framework. Theoretical framework. Choose a relevant theoretical framework that informs your research. This could be a specific theory, model, or approach. Conceptual relationships. Outline how the key concepts and variables are related to each other. What hypotheses or relationships do you expect to find? Research hypothesis. Develop specific research hypotheses or questions based on your conceptual framework. These guide your empirical investigation. Operational definitions. Define how you will measure or operationalize your key concepts. Be precise about your methods and variables. Visual representation. Create a visual representation of your conceptual network. This could be a flowchart, diagram, or model that illustrates the relationships between concepts. Testing and validation. As you conduct your research, test your framework to see if it accurately explains your findings. Revise it if necessary. Data collection. Gather relevant data using your defined variables and operational definitions. Data analysis. Analyze your data to test your hypothesis and assess how well your conceptual framework explains your results. Refinement. Refine your framework based on the analysis. Did it accurately predict or explain the outcomes? Discussion and conclusions. In your research paper or project, discuss how well your conceptual framework worked in explaining your findings. Limitations and future work. Address any limitations in your framework and suggest areas for future research or improvement.